Paper Gems by Jules, and today I am starting off with the brand new vintage script embossing folder by Unity Stamp Company. This beautiful detailed embossing folder is just oh so gorgeous, and it has a romantic and vintage vibe. So I added this metallic rub-on to give it that old look. And I'm going to continue with that old look using some Copics to color in a floral from an old stamp set. It's the August 2020 Uniquely Unity stamp set called It's Your Choice. And I'm just using some Copics to color this in and keeping that old distressed look. I had some scrap here, so I die cut using a thinlit a frame, and you can see I didn't even have a full piece, but I'm gonna make do because I'm gonna cover it and show you how to make layers. And I just basically pulled out a bunch of things that had similar colors and just kind of went with it. So I die cut using the Make a Tag die set that Unity had. Right now it's still out of stock because it flew off the shelves. So I used it's called Newsprint Greetings from the February 2023 WIT kit. Again, another amazing membership kit. Take a look at all of the memberships. There's 4. There's a kit of the month, which I am a subscriber of. There is the WIT kit, which is a full card kit, and that includes lots of fun goodies in addition to stamps and a paper pack. There is the Uniquely Unity, which is where I got the floral from. That's another great, beautiful, just it's an individual stamp, so there's different price levels for everybody. And then there is the background of the month, which I love. It's so hard to choose. You don't have to choose, but some of us have to choose. So if you do, just pick your favorite one and know that you will be guaranteed happy mail every month. Anywho, back to the card. So I used the tag. I found this vintage piece of linen, and it was already impressed with the word gratitude and its definition, and I thought that was just so pretty. I didn't even know I had this. I've had this for years, and I just cleaned up my space not too long ago and found it, and I was like, okay, here is where it needs to be. I pulled out some copper string that I had. Again, purchased it a while ago, haven't used it, thought this would tie things together. As you can see, I'm using a couple different types of adhesive. For the tag, I use the same foam strip that you're seeing here. It's going to take me a little while because there are lots of little pieces, but I also use that what we call tearable tape, which is tearable tape. So that means that you can tear it. It's actually pretty good quality. So I use that to do the string. I don't know if you saw that before, but I'll just backtrack while we watch this. And basically I just put a little piece on there, and then I would swirl the string around and kind of adhere it, push it into the tape, and that way it kind of holds it the way you might wrap it. Now some people are really good and they wrap it around their finger and do that, and that's super cool. I don't know how to do that yet. Anywho, added the floral, and we're almost there. So now I'm going to layer this out, but I did want to add a sentiment. So I pulled the sentiment out again from the 2023 February WIT kit. She added this new awesome sentiment strip, that you can cut apart. So I actually used a die and cut one piece of the whole sentiment, which was life is beautiful and full of possibilities. But because of spacing, and I just kind of wanted something to pop, I die cut the life is beautiful part, and I'm adhering it here again, a little bit of foam tape to keep it even. But it just all comes together, and I really, this is out of my scope, but I love the way it came out. So I'm just going to pair it with a couple of different layers of backing to kind of put it all together, but that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some inspiration. Please head over to my blog for all of the links for these products that are available. If you have any questions, make sure to post it in the comments. I'll be happy to reply. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy crafting!